Guys, I'm in the middle of removing my headlight, and I remember I have asked the question how to remove the indicator lamp at the same time. I'm showing you how to remove the headlight. So, zoom out. Basically, the indicator lamp is just holding by a screw here, and it may be stuck, but it'll just slide that way, and it is holding by that tab and that one there, the top. So there's two holding it, and if it's a bit hard, sorry for the noise, this is a bit hard, and use this plastic trim tool. I just like carefully support it there, and yeah, it will pop off. And the headlight, you just have to undo 1, 2, sorry, this is the headlight, not for the indicator, 2, 3, and then 4 head bolts, and this headlight is ready to come out. Cheers, guys. And if you guys are still in the video, I'm wiring up a aux light on my Prado, and now this got this on sale at super cheap. Yeah, it's just cheap because it will come with a wiring harness. Everything you need is just plug and play. This harness will be plugged T in your headlight, and if you turn your high beams on, then this will come on with it. And yes, it will come with a switch, so you're if you're on road or if you're in the outback, you know, you can turn this on or off, so at least it will operate. The headlights will operate with the aux beam or without the aux beam. And yeah, I'm just in the middle of it. Everything is in the middle when I make a video, but yeah, this is pretty awesome because just it will come with a inline fuse, like everything you need. Everything is just plug and play, and I'll show you once it's done. So everything is wired loosely at the moment, so that is there. Wiring is up, go behind there. This one, no, like, everything's loosely at the moment, but every wiring is on the bumper. And yeah, like I said, this is a plug and play harness. Just like, here you go. It's right there at the moment. So basically, this is the harness. This and this one here is the old one. Just connects to it. This used to connect straight to the headlight bulb, and now you've got a adapter. So as soon as you turn on your headlight beam, it will power up your relay, and then it'll switch it up. So everything is just loosely wired at the moment. I'll be finalizing where the location of the relay and stuff. So I have wired them loosely because I am planning to replace this switch that the harness came with it. I'll replace it with three-way switch where you can turn on the headlights without the LEDs, and you can turn the LEDs individually without the headlights. Okay guys, so just a quick test while there is no cars and people around. So this is my dip beam on, and if I turn on my high beam with the switch off, that's just my normal high beam. And if I turn on the switch on and I turn on my high beam, there you go. And if you could see right there, because the spotlights are pointing downwards, hence I just want to make the light up to this part. I don't want to like go beyond that one because I have the other auxiliary light where, there you go, it just beams all the way through. So yeah, there you have it, guys.